Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to talk about 3 of the jobs I did today. I'm on my way to my 7th job, my last job for the day. But 3 of them that I did today, I didn't get paid on. Well, one of them I did, but it was a diagnose fee. I'm going to teach you about what I do for diagnose fees and show you some videos of what I diagnosed on the other ones and how I handle that. So let's roll that intro and get right into this video. Okay, so first customer I went to today. This one was almost a no pay because, you know, I'm not going to pay for something that's simple. But when I went there, it's for a Craftsman rototiller. And it had no gas. I could tell something in my heart said the only reason it's not running is because no gas. So I put gas in it, fired right up. The only thing that made this a running customer for pay was because that carburetor was completely shot. So we talked about it. I told, hey, listen, blah blah, if you want, we could order the carburetor and I could have it fixed in a few days. We were looking around $80. That's with the parts and the labor and everything else we need. That's what I'm going to get paid on that rototiller. And she said, yeah, let's do it. So right there, because we agreed on doing a project, I did not charge a diagnostics fee or anything else. Because how I do it is if they do not want to do the repair, like this Duramax that I did, I'm going to show a picture right here of what happened to it. It was completely blown. And I said, what would you like to do with this? Do you want to order the parts? You're looking around $300 to $500 in parts, you know, because we got to replace pretty much this whole motor. And he said no. So I said, okay, well, how we're going to do that then is I just need $50 for the diagnostic fee. I told you what's wrong with it. I did some work. I drove out here. And he said, that's fine, man. I appreciate it. Thank you for coming out. Sorry, you know, I was the bearer of bad news, but, you know, more than happy he paid it. And then I went down to my 5th job, I think it was. The other 2 were just easy, quick carburetor cleans on lawnmowers, a few bolts, pull it off, bam, $65 minimum hour. So this business is pretty lucrative. But this other guy, he had a Honda Valkyrie motorcycle. I normally don't do too many motorcycles, but he was leaking gas, so he assumed it was the carburetor. So I'm going to show a little kind of clip up here like I did with the rototiller and the blown engine, and it was leaking gas, and I found out where it was leaking gas, and I said all I got to do is replace the part, and no big deal, already fixed, you know. And he said, okay, well, what do you think it's going to be to fix? So I googled it, typed on the Google, found the part, $15 part. So I said, okay, you're looking at $180 total. That's with the parts and the labor. Now, the reason I'm charging so much is because it has 6 total carburetors on this, and I have to do a lot of work just to get to that little part in between those carburetors that I need to replace. So he said, yeah, that's fine. We'll do that. So there again, no diagnostics fee. My diagnostics fee, I charge $50 to diagnose it. That's about 45 minutes because I want to spend the time to figure out what's wrong with it. If I can't figure out what's wrong with it at all, I don't charge nothing. I'm not going to charge people for my incompetence. But, however, though, the diagnostics fee I waive if they agree to do the service with me. So if they agree to do the service, I'm not going to charge them, you know, the $180 or the $80 for the rototiller plus the $50 for diagnosing it. It's all part of the repair. Now, however, if the motorcycle or the rototiller said, hey, no, we'll wait, you know, with the rototiller it would have been a different story, you know, because it was out of gas and she didn't know that, and all I did was put some gas in it and noticed it was leaking like a sieve everywhere because those carburetors have that stupid plastic nipple thing I don't like. And the pictures I'm going to show right here and right here for the parts I need, I don't charge the customer to order those parts because they're under $25. If they're over $25, I ask for the part money up front so I don't lose it. But $15 for this T part and $11 for the carburetor, even if they back out, you know, and it's hard to get money after they back out. But if they back out, these parts I could easily put on something else. Maybe not the Honda Valkyrie part, but like I was saying, I do not charge them a diagnosis fee on top of a repair. So yeah, today out of these 3 repairs out of the 7 I've done, well, I don't know about this one, this would be a 4th one, you know. I'm going to look at a boat motor right now. But out of these repairs, 2 of them are guaranteed future work, which is always money in the pocket. And one of them was, hey, your engine's blown up. I'm sorry. You know, and he's like, you know, and most of the time they're cool. They're like, damn, sorry, I didn't know. And the problem with that Duramax, if you guys are still here and you want to hear about it, the problem with that Duramax was the fact that sand from being out here in the desert just got so much past that carburetor, filled up that piston intake area, and it just became like a mini sandblaster in there. And what happened is the valve eventually ground down to nothing and snapped off. And then as the piston went back up, jammed it up, put a big old hole in the piston. It's completely, I mean, we can fix it for about $300 to $500. But at that point, it's just like, you gotta get a new generator. Or I told them, call Duramax, maybe they'll send them the parts for free because it was only 4 months in, you know, or take it back to whoever bought it. But he was cool. He was a cool dude. I'm glad, you know, at least we found out the problem. That's all that he wanted to know was what happened. I explained to him what happened. Told him build a generator house. That way you avoid all sand. Best thing you could do. So, if you guys made it all the way in, do me a favor. Hit that like button. Also, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell for notifications. Because I'm going to post videos of me changing that carburetor on that rototiller. Quick, easy video. And then I'm also going to film me fixing that Honda Valkyrie. I noticed when I post ATVs, the doodle bugs, you know, the side-by-sides, they get more views. That and riding lawnmowers, you know, the standard stuff. But people like seeing motorcycle repairs. And this thing, you know, I've never repaired before. So it's a learning experience for everybody. So I'd be greatly appreciated if you guys, you know, show some love and support. Hit that subscribe button. And yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next one. And we'll see about this boat motor here. I might make a video, I might not. I don't know if you guys can hear it inside the car. It's really windy today. And I have a video of previously that I posted up in the information if you want to see that, where it was real windy and I had to voice over the thing. Just a pain in my butt. But thank you guys again for watching. Until the next one, have a good day.